Tutorial for the flash on CapCut. First, go to the overlay stock videos and then choose the color that you want for your flash. Now make it long around 0.35, then go to mask and click on horizontal. Pull this down and then go to animation, click on it and then click on out, then fade out. Then copy and paste this. And now let's do it again with another flash color. First go to overlay and add the white overlay from your camera roll and make it short around 0.35. Then go to mask and click on horizontal. Then put this all the way down. Then go animation and then click on out and fade out. And now just copy and paste where you want the